Scratch and Spiral. Spiral we can control it, and Scratch we can make our own project. Spiral is a round ball that has a lot of things inside it, and we can control it in an app that's called Spiral. And Scratch, we can create our own project. It was fun because I could make any project.
I choose computer science class because last year I just always do art academy for 2 semesters. And now when computer science appeared, I want to make my game and play my game. I thought it would be super easy, but when I just got into it, it is just super hard. But I like computer science because it's not that hard now when I just learn something. I use blocks for sprites because sprite is like a character in the game. I use also background because it is the game settings. Sprite is the main character in Scratch. Scratch is a app that make our games by building blocks. It's not only games. We can make videos about it by using sprites or wallpapers, or we can draw the sprite. I didn't use it, but I heard somebody saying about Scratch and I got interesting about that. It was hard because every blocks have like different words. First time it was hard. Now not easy but medium. I enjoyed game in the Scratch, and next time I want to make some funny animation. Another game there's like some animation, and I like those and make animation of it.
I think the coding was great because I can learn about more coding. I can go to home and play coding. My coding was easy for me because I use program code Scratch. There's many game design or many videos. I make many games like escape game or catching game. In first it was difficult and I was practiced many times, so it was easy. In future I think I can remember Scratch and make many games about escape game or catching game.
I enjoy this because I make some games in computer science. Maze game. There's a maze and there's a sprite that can go through the maze, and if you touch the wall, you will return to the starting point. I used the blocks and I made it. So easy. It was fun because I can learn coding and how to move the sprites. I chose the computer science because I'm interested in computers and coding and how to make games. And when I was little, I would always ask my dad to teach me how to code or do games. And now that I'm here, I can choose this activity, and this activity is very good because it helped me a lot. Now I know how to create my own games, how to code, and it teaches people how to use the app and make new games. It's very easy to do. We did games, it was easy, and my experience I would want to share is when I use it, it's good. It's not so complicated to use. You can find the blocks and it's easy for kids or maybe parents. I'll recommend it because people would like it and it's fun for young children. It's for learning how to make games like programming. It's easy because there are lots of blocks saying what command would you use, and that command would program your sprite, which is character, and make it move or make the game work. And you can make a quest game, maybe interactive, like tag game, racing game. You can use the Scratch to make a calculator. I choose computer science because I think computing is
fun because coding is fun. I learn how to let the character move and how to change the background. I make racing game and it was challenging because the second character is slower than the first one. I can fix that in the steps that I made. The first one is 10 steps, but the second one is 5 steps. I enjoy the most in playing the game that I made. If I can, I will do coding in the future. Example, I'll make a timer and a clock and maybe games that let everybody to play in the future. I will recommend people to go to this computer science because I think it's fun and very good because it is fun. I really enjoy this computer science.